Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Jeep Cherokee with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in a safe, well-ventilated area. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition. Confirm the gear selector is firmly in either park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Now, we'll move on to the actual ignition sequence. Understanding the key positions is essential for proper operation. When the key is in the OFF position, the steering wheel is typically locked for security. Turning it to ACC provides power to accessories like your radio without fully engaging the engine. The on position illuminates your dashboard and primes the fuel system. Finally, start is the momentary position that cranks the engine to life. Sometimes your Jeep might not start immediately. First, check your battery connections. They should be clean and tight. A common issue is a low or dead battery, which might produce a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key. Also, confirm you have enough fuel in the tank. If the key feels loose or doesn't turn smoothly, a worn key or ignition cylinder could be the culprit, so try a spare key if available. Once your Jeep Cherokee engine starts, release the key instantly. It will spring back to the on position. Allow the engine a brief moment, perhaps 30 seconds to 1 minute, to warm up, especially in colder weather. Always check your dashboard for any persistent warning lights, which could indicate a problem. For safety and security, never leave your key in the ignition when you exit the vehicle, even for a short time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.